What's up YouTube? It is your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I'd like to say welcome. And if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment down below. All of that does go to help out the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my videos to more and more people. So thank you for doing that on all my videos. And if you guys could, make sure to check me out on Instagram and TikTok at @BroTatoChip. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. And now that we got all that intro stuff out of the way, let's get into the video. So for today's video, we have a sneaker review. And in my opinion, this shoe is top 3 sneaker of the year for me. Let me give you guys a little backstory. Last week, I posted a poll on my Instagram, battle basically between 2 shoes. Both of them New Balance 2002 Rs. One being the Rain Cloud pair, came from the protection pack. It is the all over gray one. And the second pair was a pair by Salehe Bembury, and it was Water Be the Guide colorway. So as you guys can see, I posted that poll right there, and you see the results. Majority of people voted for the Salehe pair. So you know what I did? I had to give the people what they wanted, and I bought the Salehe pair. Now in all honesty, I was going to buy the Rain Cloud pair first before I bought this pair. But unfortunately, when I was checking StockX, that pair skyrocketed around $150 more than what I was initially looking at it. So originally I was seeing pairs between $450, $470, even on the lower end $400. And right now, the cheapest pair for my size in size 11 or 11 and a half is sitting anywhere between $520 to $600. So that pair definitely went up in value. And luckily for me, I was able to get the Salehe ones for around $360 on GOAT. So in my opinion, I think an amazing price. So let's go over the box. I normally don't do this because most of the boxes are plain, but this one they went all out on. So here we have the Salehe box. New Balance 2002 R. You have a waterfall and a canyon right here. You have the New Balance logo carved into the side. Right here we just have some more majestic waterfalls coming around. Wrapping around, you have the size tag right there, and I did get a size 11. Right here you have more of the picture, which is like another waterfall. And on this side you have the name of the shoe, Water Be the Guide. So this is Salehe's second collab with New Balance. The first one was Peace Be the Journey, and now we have Water Be the Guide. He has also collaborated on 2 pairs of 574 New Balances, and he also has a collab coming up with Crocs, which I'm very interested in picking up. So enough talking about the shoe, let's look at it. So here we have it, the Salehe Bembury Water Be the Guide 2002 R. Go over some of the details on the shoe. So majority of the shoe is this long hair suede. It's wrapping around the toe box, on the middle portion of the shoe, all the way wraps around to the heel cap right here. Then we have this very short hair, super soft suede, wraps around the heel portion. We have these lighter blue hits, which are 3M reflective in the toe box and right here on this middle portion. We have mesh hits throughout the toe box and right here on the ankle portion as well. For the sock lining, we have a soft cotton sock lining. It matches the laces perfectly. One of my favorite hits would be this electric green, slime green, some people are calling it, that goes throughout the shoe. We have little hits right here on the midsole, on the inner of the midsole, on the outsole, even right here on the New Balance logo. Wrapping it around, you have this plastic rubbery looking like a fingerprint design. So for the insole, a lot of shoes are doing this now, putting a cork insole. I like it. It's definitely a cool hit to it. And one of my favorite details on this shoe is definitely going to be the leather they added to the tongue. This is a super plush and premium leather. It definitely reminds me of a wallet. And I like how they added it throughout the shoe. So you have it right here on the tongue itself. Then we have it right here at the top portion of the toe box. And we have it right here with the embossed 2002R as well. There's a lot of subtle details that make this shoe work perfectly. And a detail that not many people talk about is definitely this shearling material that is on the New Balance logo. It is actually standing up and it is like a three-dimensional look to it. So you can have a nice little feel, and it's a pretty nice shearling material right there. As we go to the midsole, we have a speckled midsole. Pretty much just brown dots all the way around, looking like paint splatter. And wrapping around to the outsole, we still have that same turquoise baby blue colorway with the hits of the electric green throughout. Comfort wise, you already know New Balance is king of that, so this shoe is going to be comfortable on feet and it's going to look super good. They also added 2 spare laces. We have that same tan color that's throughout the mesh and the electric green laces. For me personally, I'm probably going to keep the teal laces in, but if I do want to add a pop to this shoe, I might add those electric green laces just to add a little spice to it. And another cool detail they added was the Salehe Bembury writing right there on top of the laces, almost adding like a lace lock to it. You know, with all my sneaker reviews, I give them all a rating, and this one I'm going to give a 9.3 out of 10. And the reason behind that is just because the colorway is great, the storytelling, the box is good, the details, all the little details on the shoe definitely does add up. And just knowing that this is a New Balance shoe, so it's going to be super cozy, and I know it's going to look great on feet. I'm going to have to give this shoe a 9.3. This shoe is definitely going to be in my top 5 shoes of the year. Overall, guys, I think this shoe is an amazing shoe. I think Salehe did an amazing job on this, storytelling-wise, color blocking, everything on this, to the quality of the materials on this shoe. It is A1. Drop a comment down below. What do you think about this shoe? And what do you think about Salehe? Is he going to become the next Virgil Abloh? Is New Balance on the rise? Make sure to drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about that. And if you guys could, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BroTailChip. Both of those links will be down in the description box below. If you guys want to participate in more of these polls, I will be doing more on my Instagram. I'm going to basically let you guys build my sneaker collection. So maybe once a month, once every 2 months, I'm going to post 2 sneakers. And I want you guys to vote on which ones I'm going to add to my collection next. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for watching. It's been your boy Tim, signing off. Peace.